Alright guys, this is going to be those word problem practices. I'm going to try to fly through this as fast as I can, or I may not even cover them all. But if I don't, I'll post the answer key for you, okay? Ideally, what I want you to do is try this on your own, and then check your work with the video, okay? So, real quickly, I might do maybe 2 on each page of each type, and then you can look at the answer key, because it's getting pretty late for me, and I still got work to do myself. Okay? So, I think that's what I'll do. I think I'll do 2 from each page, excuse me. So, for this one, I think I'll just do, I don't know, 1 and 3. So, 8 more than twice a number is 28. Find the number. 2x plus 8 equals 28. Subtract 8 from both sides. 2x equals 20. Divide by 2. X equals 10. Boom. Done. Okay. Number 3. 11 increased by twice the number is 17. So 2x plus 11 equals 17. Okay. And again, this is one way to write it. So subtract 11, 2x equals 6, divide by 2, x equals 3. You know what, I think I'll just do the left column, and I'll leave the even numbers for you guys, and you can use the answer key. Sounds fair? Number 5, again, try it out. 12 decreased by 3 times a number is 9. 12 decreased by 3. Alright, decreased by. So, 12 minus 3x equals 9. Subtract 12. Negative 3x equals negative 3. Divide by negative 3. X equals 1. 16 is less, 16 is 5 less than 7 times the number. Find the number. So 16 is 7x minus 5. Less than is a turnaround word. Add 5 to both sides. You get 21 equals 7x. Divide by 7. And get 3 equals x. Okay. Length of a rectangle is 4 more than the width. The perimeter is 96. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay. Again, you need a picture. I know space is limited, but just do your best to squeeze it in there. 4 more than the width would be 4w. So what you do on the top, do on the bottom. Put your w's. I feel like this marker's too big. Let me shrink it down a little bit. Okay. So, now sit there, add them up. W, 1, 2, 3, 4 W's. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay? All of this should equal 96. So subtract 8 from both sides. Again, you probably don't have to blow this up so you can see it, because I'm trying my best to squeeze it all in this itty bitty tiny little box. Let's see, that's 88. Divide by 4, and we get W equals 22. Alright, that's W. Plug it back in. So 4 plus 22 equals 26, and that's going to be my L. Okay? Number 3 is the sides of a triangle. Careful on how you read this. The length of the second side of a triangle is 2 inches less than the length of the first side. The length of the third side is 12 inches more than the length of the first side. The perimeter of the triangle is 73 inches. Find the length of each side. Okay, guys, we're just going to have to designate one to be x and feed off of that. The fact that I said the next side is 2 inches less than, so that should be x, turn around words of x minus 2. And then the other one says more than, so x plus 12. Okay, guys? Don't think too much into it, just go with it. So count your x's, 1, 2, 3, 3 x's. You got a negative 2 here, or minus 2, so 12 minus 2 is a positive 10. Perimeter is all the sides added up, so that should be 73. So go ahead and start solving. Subtract 10 equals, that's 63. 3x divided by 3. I think this is going to be 21. Now, we're not done yet. That's one side. Plug that in for the rest of these x's to get the rest of the dimensions. So 21 minus 1 will give us 19. So 19 is the other side. And the last one, 21, that's 33. Here, let me just put a little equal sign here, 19. So 19, 33, 21 inches. All of these are the sides of the triangle. Might put a little note there. Sides of the triangle. Like what I did there, drew a little triangle. Okay. 5, length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than the width. The perimeter is 66 meters. Find the dimensions. So, more than, so we're adding 5 to both sides. W, ooh, a little too close to the wall there. W's over there. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 W's plus 5 and 5 is 10. Should equal the perimeter. Subtract 10. And look, the more practice you get, the easier these are going to get. Okay? Sitting there in class doing nothing is not going to help anybody. 56 divided by 4, it's going to be 14. Again, don't forget meters. I probably forgot that on the last one. Plug that back in, so 14 plus 5 will be 19 meters. And this is for length. So here's one, here's the other. And you can go back and check. Add them up, you should get the perimeter to be 66. 7, the perimeter of the rectangle parking lot is 146. Find its dimensions of length is 7 meters less than 4 times the width. So 4 times the width, 4W minus 7. Let's do what you do on top, do it on the bottom, because it's a rectangle. And W, I'm about to burp, excuse me. 4 and 4 is 8W, 9, 10. 10 W's total. Negative 7 minus 7 will be negative 14 equals 146. From there, solve. Add 14 to both sides. 10W. Say 146, 14, I think 160. Divide by 10. When you divide by 10 here, the zeros pretty much cancel, so it's just 16. 16 looks like meters again. Plug that back in, so 4 times 16 minus 7. 4 times 16 minus 7 is going to give us, I plugged all this in my calculator and I got 57 meters. And that's what L is going to be. Okay? What can I put there? I'll put it right here. L is 57 meters. Moving on. Consecutive integer problems. That should be the next page. Again, I'll do 1 and 3. Find consecutive integers whose sum is 216. 3 consecutive integers. So x plus 1, x plus 2. Stack them up. 3x plus 3. All of that should equal 216. Subtract 3 from both sides. 3x equals 213. Divide by 3. X equals 71. Remember, that's 71, 72, and 73. Okay? Find Find 4 consecutive integers whose sum is 234. Again, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. That's going to give us 4 of them, so I stop right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, x. 5 plus 6 equals 234. Subtract 6 from both sides. So that's 228. Divide by 4. X equals, sorry I'm squeezing it down on the bottom, 57. Remember that's 57, 58, 59, and 60. Okay? Remember, even and odd, it's going to be x, x plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6. I'll let you finish that off. And this one, same setup. Remember we discussed this yesterday. Okay? I'll let y'all finish those. Mixed practice. Length of a rectangle 6 meters greater than twice the width. The perimeter is 60 meters. Find the length. Okay? So 2w plus 6. 2w plus 6. W's on the side. Count your W's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 W's plus 6 and 6 is 12. Okay? Equals 60. Subtract 12 from both sides. 6w equals, well, 60 minus 12 is 48. Divide by 6. W equals 8 meters. Plug that back in. 2, 8 plus 6. 2 times 8, 16. Plus 6 will give us 22. And this is our length. Okay? Number 3. One of 2 congruent sides of an isosceles triangle is 7. The perimeter is 27. Find the base. Guys, isosceles triangles, remember, 2 legs are congruent. It says both of them are 7. I don't know what this side is, so I'm going to put an X. I do know all this equals 24. So just like we've been doing, count your X's. 1. Count your numbers. 7 plus 7 is 14. And then solve for that X. And we get X equals 10. In this case, centimeters. Okay? Find 5 consecutive integers whose sum is 155. Again, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, 5 x's, 7, 8, 9, 10, equals 155. Solve, so subtract 10 from both sides. 5x equals 145. I'm going to bring this up here because I'm running out of space. 5 by 5 and we get, excuse me, 29. Again, that's 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. All right, number 7. Length of a rectangle is 2 meters less than 3 times the width. The perimeter is 68 meters. Find the length and width. Length and width. So top, 3w minus 2. 3w minus 2. W. Add them up. 3, 4, 7, 8. 8w. Minus -2, -2, -4. Should equal 68. Add 4 to both sides. We get 8w equals 72. Divide by 8. W equals 9 meters. Plug that back in. 3 times 9 minus 2 and we get 25 meters. That's length. Okay? I'm almost done. I don't know about you guys. Find three consecutive even integers. So x, and I'll put that dot there. X plus 2, x plus 4, draw your line, 3x plus 6 should equal 120. Subtract 6 from both sides. 3x equals 114. Divide by 3, x equals 38. Remember, that's 38, 40, 42. Remember, even integers. So, base of an isosceles triangle is 8 meters. The perimeter is 30. Find the lengths of the two congruent sides. Well, like we just said, these are congruent. The base is 8, and all of that should add up to 30. Count your x's. 1, 2, 2x plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. We get 2x equals, let's see, 30 minus 8, 22. I don't know why that stumped me. Divide by 2, x equals 11 meters. Alright. But this video is a little longer than anticipated. But I'm going to post the answer key because I got to work on another video. But y'all work on that. Okay? When you're done with that, you can work on USA test prep stuff. Alright, we'll see y'all later. If you can get this one, you'll impress me. Alright, good night.